Justin Gaethje is regarded as one of the lightweight goats in the UFC competition.
Yeah, I'm not
bad.
Yo, wanna see some monkeys?
Wanna go see some monkey? Yeah.
Huh?
You get a snow monkey pass, only 4,000 yen, and it's for 2 days. It helps you out with the trains, the buses, and the pass into the park itself, he said.
What's wrong?
Did you say that it's for the buses, trains,
Yeah, it's
and parks?
buses, trains, and entry to the park.
Bad, hanging out. Wanna have a crack of you?
Yes, sir.
Maybe a good sleep?
Maybe. 50-minute train.
50. Hanging out.
Whatever's on the floor.
Oh, bro. It's like this, honestly. Surely he makes it.
Monkey do, monkey boo.
You gonna wear it on your back?
We already found the monkey.
This is where we live from?
Hello. It is extremely wet. Floor is soaked. Now I'm here in 270s. I am gone, mate.
Styrofoam. Is that what it called?
Styrofoam?
The thing's in a package. Feel it, bro.
Yeah, I felt it, man.
You feel it? Yeah.
This is different snow. This is icy snow.
Yeah, this is like a day old, whatever, 2 days old. Oh, this one's soft. This one's soft.
That's like a bullet. Like,
You get hit in the face with that, you're gone.
Very,
but it's
very
so soft when you pick it
cold.
up. See, it's soft, and then you hard it. It's like
Don't step in the snow. He's gonna freeze.
You should have got waterproof.
I'm telling you, he's gonna freeze. Don't do it.
shut up.
I got the camera. You can't get me. Throw it at
You're
me.
next, buddy.
Yeah,
You're next.
throw my back. Ah, go. Oh, we gotta figure out what fucking bus will take us on.
It's not that cold. Let me make a hat. Let me make a triangle hat.
Wallah, stop that. Do it then.
Do it again, do it again, do it, do it. We have arrived. Snow and monkey parker. Look. Very, very beautiful. Now we're doing the 40-minute walk up to the snowy monkey mountain. Walking up with the lads. It's starting to snow a little bit. And yeah, beautiful scenery. MashaAllah. Sugoi. Mizu. Need some mizu right now. It's starting to snow, boys.
I'm literally crying. That's how emotional this shit is.
That was a whole ice block that he chucked at his head. No, no thank you. 1.8 Ks. 30-minute walk. Should be alright. What are you reckon, lads? How are we holding up right now?
Very good, very nice. Very good pockets.
Oh shit. Woo. They ain't ready for this. Monkeys ain't ever seen ice like this. Too cold even for the snow monkeys, you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Hello. Konnichiwa. Ooh, beautiful. Yeah, botte. Yeah, empty. Whoa, look. It's the onsen, mate.
Going so quickly.
It's generally such a beautiful sight to see.
My mum said you can find the same in the Blue Mountains.
Remember when we went Blue Mountains?
Yeah,
It's just like a drizzle
Blue
on the
Mountains
grass.
is this much snow in the whole place.
We got excited.
Tell them it's almost like,
Straight out, might not love
oh,
my-
walking on a dream.
This is the one that we're going on.
Let's go, boys. Oh, hey. Oh, here we go. You think you make it after 1.6 Ks? Nope. Just a fleet of stairs waiting for you. And action.
So what do you think?
Bro, I'm loving this right now.
Yeah?
Beautiful landscape, show the landscape.
Right.
We're about to see the monkeys. Probably gonna rack the GoPro, but we'll be alright.
It'll be a good POV shot, eh?
Beautiful POV shot. Like, look at the snow, brother. Where do you get this in Australia? What, Threadbow? Threadbow? You serious?
What do you think of me?
Very beautiful. Well,
Yeah?
Yes.
Huh?
As beautiful
good
as you
experience.
or just a bit less?
Oh, maybe not me.
Pushing it.
Pushing it, yeah.
Sorry, he's a bit mareil. He's sick, sorry. Ja, er is een bol op, wat?
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh no.
Oh, mate. Huh?
Get that stage start on camera. Well, this is how it's gonna smell.
So, wallah. Or like Iraq.
It's sulfur.
What's that?
Sulfur is what the smell is.
Salt?
No, it comes from volcanoes.
What, and it smells like eggs?
Yeah, it smells like eggs, yeah.
Yum.
Ooh, we got. Damn. Anyone else?
Did animal shot?
Yeah, he's dripped out. MashaAllah. شوفي يمه.
Take a photo.
Of what, mate?
I want to stand this.
No, bro, don't risk that. Well, I don't.
Surely, bro.
Bro, you fall, it's instant death.
Bro, you think snow's gonna defeat me? You
Snow's
think
not gonna defeat you.
Snow's gonna end the story. It's just gonna be Abdullah died from snow.
Go plank on that.
Oh.
Someone kicked it down on purpose. It didn't fall on its own.
You reckon?
These are the most useful fences I've ever seen in my entire life.
Bro, if anything, that'd probably make you fall even more. Fucking under your knees.
Underwear?
Your knees.
Sit underwear. Yep, been hiking about 30 minutes in it.
You fucking wish.
How long
More
you
like
reckon?
15.
Nah, hang out!
If it's 30, that means we're literally.
Hang out!
Yep, there's 2, yeah.
Look at him, bro.
Monkey.
You reckon? No, bro, I smell like him.
Say that again.
That's so sad. Oh, Ed is kicking it. Man of the hour right now. Look at him.
He's got all the windows around.
Oh, there's a baby. He's trying to sleep.
Oh, sorry. No,
Yeah, right. MashaAllah.
Look at these guys, look what they're doing.
Did you see that magic trick?
Look at them. They're bashing each other. These guys are the monkeys, these guys are the real monkeys. Yeah.
I'm gonna give him on the ride. I'm on the journey.
Not bad. Overall successful trip. Probably the highlight of the trip. Definitely the monkeys. One tried to bash me for some reason. But hey, we don't talk about that. Very, very friendly overall. Very beautiful. Definitely worth coming. Definitely should come. Yeah, like just look at the scenery alone is worth it. The monkeys are definitely a plus. Swimming in the onsen, haven't done it, but recommend that as well. Like, look at these beautiful trees. Come on. Beautiful scenery. Alright. And yeah, hanging out.